Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to another video here on the channel. My name is Annie, and today I brought a brand new project for you, which is Bart the Little Duck. In this video, we are going to learn how to make the head. So, let's go over the materials you will need. Well, first, our 2mm crochet hook. I'm going to use this one here, Tulip head, okay? Mine is already, pretty worn out, but I love this hook. About the yarn, guys, I made this first little duck using yellow yarn, but the next one I'm going to make with white yarn, okay? The yarn I used for this duck here was Amigurumi Soft. For the other one I'm about to make, I'll only switch the yellow for white. That's the only difference, okay? The rest will be the same. For the little hat I will use brown. For the beak, and for the little foot here, I will use orange. I'll be using the yarn Alom Amigo Piscine, okay? I will use it to make these parts here, but you can use whichever yarn you prefer. And white yarn to make the duck. I decided to make it in another color so you can see how it turns out too. Just a heads up about the last video, guys. The assembly video is already recorded, and it will feature the assembly of this specific yellow duck, okay? I recorded his assembly, so it's already filmed and completely ready. Because of that, the assembly video won't feature the white color, it will feature the yellow color, but it won't change anything for you, alright? It will be exactly the same thing. So, let's get started. Well, we will use a 2mm hook, and we will also need the standard tools, like a yarn needle, scissors, a tapestry needle, and pins. The eyes will be 9mm safety eyes. Okay, guys? So, 9mm safety eyes with washers. Also, remember to grab your stuffing and embroidery threads in black and white. Look, the white thread to embroider the highlight right here, and the black thread here. And that's it, guys. That's what we need for materials, just the standard tools and the yarn. Let's begin our piece. Today we are going to learn how to make the head. We will start by making a magic ring. Look, I wrap it once, twice here. Look, catch the yarn underneath, secure it. And I made my magic ring. Now we are going to make 6 single crochet stitches into this ring. I will leave the pattern details passing right up here, okay? For you to follow along as well, for those who like the on-screen pattern text so you don't get lost. Let's do round 1. 6 single crochet stitches in the magic ring. I'm done. Now I close this ring, and I move on to my second round, which will be 6 increases, and we will have a total of 12 single crochet stitches in this round. Alright, round number 2, look, completed. Let's move on to round number 3, which will be 1 single crochet and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and we will have a total of 18 single crochet stitches in this round. Once round number 3 is finished, let's do round number 4, which will be 2 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 24 single crochet stitches in total. There we go, round number 4 completed. Now, in round number 5, we are going to do 3 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 30 single crochet stitches in total. Let's keep going with 3 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. Alright guys, now that we finished round number 5, let's do round number 6, which will be 4 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 36 single crochet stitches in total. Done, everyone. Now let's do round number 7, which will be 5 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 42 single crochet stitches in total. Perfect. Now let's do round number 8, which will be 6 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 48 single crochet stitches in total. Now we are going to do round number 9, which will be 7 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have a total of 54 single crochet stitches. Let's keep going with 7 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. Alright guys, now we have finished this increasing part, okay? And we are going to work from round number 10 all the way to round number 16. Just single crochet over single crochet. And each one of these rounds will have a total of 54 single crochet stitches. So let's work up to round number 16, just stitch over stitch. I will work my rounds and I'll come back when I finish round 16 to continue making the head with you. Perfect, everyone. I finished round number 16 here, where we did stitch over stitch. Now, in round number 17, we are going to do 12 single crochet stitches, 3 consecutive increases, 24 single crochet stitches, 3 consecutive increases, and 12 single crochet stitches. I did the first 12 single crochet stitches. Now I'm going to do the 3 consecutive increases. I make these increases on the sides so we can form a cute little cheek here on the face of our amigurumi. All done, guys, round completed. Now let's do round number 18, which will be 9 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 66 single crochet stitches in total. Let's do 9 single crochet stitches and 1 increase all the way around. Round number 18 completed. Now we are going to work from round number 19 all the way to round number 25. Just single crochet over single crochet, and all these rounds will have 66 single crochet stitches in total. Let's keep going, stitch over stitch, up to round number 25. I will work my rounds, and I'll be back here to continue with you. All right, everyone, look, I finished round number 25 here. Now in round number 26, we are going to do 9 single crochet stitches and 1 decrease. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and we will have a total of 60 single crochet stitches, okay? And in round number 27, which will be the next one, we are going to do 8 single crochet stitches and 1 decrease. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of the round, we will have 54 single crochet stitches. I leave the pattern steps for the rounds we are working on right up here for you, okay? Let's keep going with the decreases. I wanted to show you here how I do mine. I already did the 9 single crochet stitches, and now I'm going to show you how I make the decrease. Look, to avoid gaps in the piece, we are always going to keep the loop quite tight here on the hook. Look, don't leave it loose like this. Keep the loop very secure. Then I pass the hook here. Look, catch my yarn, and with both loops close together at the same height, I pull through and make the stitch. Then, on this next stitch, I also have to keep the loop very close here, look, very tight. I insert the hook, catch the yarn, pull it up to stay the same size, and make the single crochet, look. This way, there won't be any gaps in the decrease. So let's work round number 26 and round number 27, which, as I mentioned, are right here on the screen. When I'm done, I'll come back to continue with you. All right, guys, I finished round number 27, and I already took the opportunity to place the eyes. Okay, we are going to place the eyes between rounds 16 and 17 with, look, I placed it in this hole here. Then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes between them. Okay, between the 2 holes where we put them. Between the 2 holes where we placed the eyes, we are going to skip 6 holes, all right? And it's between round number 16 and 17. Now let's continue. I'm going to call out the next 2 rounds we are going to make, which will be round number 28 and 29. In round number 28, we are going to do 7 single crochet stitches and 1 decrease. We will repeat this sequence 6 times. And at the end of this round, we will have 48 single crochet stitches in total. And in round number 29, we are going to do 6 single crochet stitches and 1 decrease. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end, we will have 42 single crochet stitches. Let's work these 2 rounds of decreases. I will do mine and come back to continue with you. We finished round number 29 here. Now we are going to do round number 30, which will be 5 single crochet stitches and 1 decrease. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 36 single crochet stitches in total. And in round number 31, which we will do right after, we are going to do 4 single crochet stitches and 1 decrease. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 30 single crochet stitches in total. Let's work round number 30 and 31, which are decrease rounds here on our Amigurumi, and I'll come back to continue with you. All right, everyone, I finished round number 31 here. And this is how we wrap up the video for the head of our little duck. This is part 1. In the next video, we will learn how to make the neck and the body. And then we will finish this whole head and body section, okay? That was it for today, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Sending you a big hug, stay blessed, see you in the next video, and bye-bye.